Hi, and Orozco. Tip of the day. When you are looking for an auto repair shop, the most important thing is dealing with someone who you can trust and has the ethics to be honest with you, to help you make better decisions on how to protect the investment you have in your car. For more information, click the link below at orozcosalservice.com. Have a great day, everyone.